We're gearing up to have a party, and when I was offered this cool trellis, I thought, yes, that's perfect. It should be really easy to put together, so let's start. That's really cool. All the screws are sort of put in the right spots already. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the ground. Oh my God, that's so nice. Would you look at that? I did it. And you know what else? If you think this is too tall for what you're looking for, you can remove one of these D parts and it'll become just that much shorter. I'm gonna go get some balloons and we'll decorate it. So I got some balloons. Let's get this guy decorated for the party. I will probably keep going and fill up the whole thing, but you get the idea. It is so easy to tie balloons or really anything on it because of all the little sections, the little metal parts. How precious is that? That was so easy. Opening it up, building it, and putting on some balloons took me so little time. What a great and easy party decoration. It can be repurposed for all sorts of events and then just live in my garden when I'm not using it. Oh, I love it. I'm really happy.